Good night, everyone. Today is Tuesday, October the 21st, around 9 p.m. New York time. We're going to go with the daily technical video days that we do every night. And we're going to start today with the euro dollar. The euro dollar looks like is like we have been mentioned all day within an ending diagonal. The ending diagonal I was playing in the videos is a sequence when we have 3, 3, 3, 3, and 3. We are suspecting here that the euro is doing a triangle within the wave 4 when we have A, B, C, D, and then right here is going to test against around 138.80 before bouncing higher. So this move to the upside should be terminal, and then the euro should trade lower either tonight or tomorrow. That's what we like about the euro. Now, seeing that the euro is going to make a new high, it's very easy to go around the market and see many pairs. For example, many pairs like cable, when we are allowing on cable to make, we are allowing cable to make another high before dropping. So cable new high, euro new high, and then we go to the Aussie trade, and then see an Aussie. We see this to be, this is too big already. We are still laboring as a wave 4, but take into consideration that it's possible that we already finished this move, and then Aussie is going to start going to the downside. But do not discount the new high also in Aussie. Now, let's move on and let me show you the Norwegian krone. The Norwegian krone looks like it did, instead of the ending diagonal, it did something like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, triangle 4, a 3, a 4, a 3, a 4, and also need one more low before going higher. That the yen pairs are showing that we are right here within the yen pairs showing that the risk move is fading. Why? Because the yen is strong, and the yen is proving in every pair that we are set for a seaway minimum in reservation. So take that into consideration about the overall market structures or ideas on when the market is going to go. Look at which we show you the euro yen. Let me show you the Aussie yen. Look, the Aussie yen looks to be ended a B way to the 76.4 right here, and it looks like it's going to start trading lower. That's why we believe that the Aussie dollar it should be very close to turning lower right there. Now, let's take a look now to the CAD, which today we got a huge swing to the upside, and then the CAD looks like finish a move. And then we're going to show you in the CAD, we're going to show you two scenarios. Okay, why? Because those two scenarios can be seen different outcome right here. For example, this scenario is the dollar CAD. Thanks to DV, this scenario is the dollar CAD in an impulse from the top when you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, and in regular 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, a triangle 4, and a 5. If that's the case, then we need 3 ways back, and most likely the move from the lows, it can be done. Why do I say that? Because we are expecting US dollar index one more time before the trend renew in the dollar, or it become bullish. Now this big way right here allow us to have that US dollar index one more time before the move in favor of the dollar. The second scenario is this one. Is the most on the cat is this one. You guys gonna see right now, like the cat, it went down correctly, and then we did a big way, and the cat should trade in 5 to the upside. Either way, the cat is gonna get strong. That's not the issue. The cat is gonna get strong sooner or later. The path that the cat is gonna take to that move is the one that can be different. Now, S&P, look, we're showing 3 different scenarios in the S&P tonight. No 1, no 2, 3 different scenarios. This is the most bearish one, which is calling for this move to be over already. I don't like it that much, but we have another scenario like this is that, like this is the end of A, and then we're going lower in 3, or another one that with one more high we're gonna end the 3, the A way, or the most bullish one, which is A, B, and then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that is gonna take the S&P to around 1300. You guys can check the 4-hour charts on the S&P in the side for all those reference. Now let's take a look finally to oil and to the dollar index, and I want you guys to understand that the US dollar is set to get strong, and you guys need to understand that. If no, you guys can can stay out of the party. I don't saying that the move is the one that everyone is expecting, but it's a possibility, and we need to let you guys know about it. Okay, let's take a look at oil and the US dollar index. Like we did for the euro, let's start the US dollar index looking from here, where you got possible 1, and in regular B, 2, I'm sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, and in regular 4, and one more line, one more low to the downside. That's gonna complete 5 ways from the top of the 4-way. Now, seeing the index in the 4-hour, we're gonna take into consideration that the 75.88 area is the 618 of a proposal nest. So technically, I'm expecting buyers around that area, and that goes pretty well with the structure that we're showing there, and that goes pretty well with a finish, for 5 ways to end around that area. Let me show you the RSI, and you guys are gonna see the divergence that we're getting on the lows. So the movement in favor of the dollar will happen sooner or later, but it will happen. Finally, oil looks like also have one more high in it before dropping. And I want you guys to understand this. I want you guys to understand this. Oil, it looks like has made three waves from the top, from the bottom. That's what we were expecting. Now, this is always can get into a double zigzag, triple zigzag structure. So keep that in mind. Oil looks like it's ending a three-wave move from the lows. If we take a look at the 4-hour chart in oil, look, 1, 2, 3. You can take the RSI there and see that there is no divergency when you get a divergency in this high right here. So keep in mind that most likely we're going to see a big drop in oil. We were calling for 95 100. We got to 94 and 85 today. So our minimum target has been reached. Now everything can change, and this can create a double zigzag again going higher, but we believe that the dollar and the yen and in general risk aversion is set to a move. All right, so let's leave it there and see how the market react tonight. Thank you.